Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. It is my honor to welcome you all on this National Pollution Control Day.
But Soumya, do you have any idea why this day is observed?
Not actually.
Today, 2nd of December, which is observed as National Pollution Control Day. This day is observed in the memory of the people who lost their lives in Bhopal gas calamity. Bhopal gas tragedy occurred in the year 1984 on the night of 2nd and 3rd December. Bhopal gas tragedy is considered as one of the biggest industrial pollution disasters.
Come on, to know more about this, we have our friends to make us all aware about the increasing pollution. So firstly, we have Rishita Patil from 6B with the topic noise pollution.
Very good morning to respected teachers and all my dear friends. So, in the world, there are many kinds of pollution like air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, etc. etc. Today, we are going to discuss. So, in the world, there are many kinds of pollution like air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, etc. etc. Today, we are going to discuss one of the topic here, that's noise pollution.
Yeah, but how can we control it?
Don't worry, here we have Aryan Vani from Standard 6 to awareness on it.
Hello, my name is Aryan Vinodwani. Today I will tell you information about water pollution. So let's get started. So what is water pollution? Water pollution occurs when harmful and toxic waste chemicals or other particles enter the water bodies and get dissolved in them.
Oh, now I will try to avoid water pollution and also tell people to do so.
Similarly as noise and water pollution, soil pollution is also a major issue.
For this, we have Arya Mogal from 6B informing us on soil pollution.
How do soil pollution cause? 1. Industrial activities. Industrial activity has been the biggest contributor to the problem in the last century, especially since the amount of mining and manufacturing has increased.
Due to this pandemic situation, we were attending online lectures, and due to the harmful rays of laptops and mobiles, many have lost their eyes.
Yes, you are right, but don't worry. Sanvi and Abhiraj from Standard 7th will guide us how to avoid light pollution.
Hello everyone, today me and Abhiraj are going to share information about light pollution. As my friend told, we have heard about many types of pollution, but basically what is light pollution? Brightening of the night sky caused by street lights and other man-made sources which has a disruptive effect on natural cycles and inhibits the observation of stars and planets. In simple language, light pollution is the presence of inappropriate, unwanted or excessive use of artificial light. Now, to understand it better, let's see the example of light pollution. This is the image of the 2003 Northeast blackout, which was a massive power outage that affected 55 million people. Now, Abhiraj will share the effects of light pollution.
Yes, sir. The effects of light pollution are first glare. Glare is the excessive brightness that causes visual discomfort. For example, when we see at the sun in afternoon, we are unable to see it as sun has excessive brightness. That's why it is known as glare. The second is sky glow. Sky glow is the brightening of night sky over inhabited areas. The third is light trespass. Light trespass is the light falling where it is not needed or intended. For example, a street light which glows at night near a house, the light enters in the room and lightens it. That's why it is known as light trespass. The fourth is clutter. Clutter refers to bright, confusing and excessive group of light sources.
Great information. Do you know, every day while coming to school, I see plastic all over the roads.
Yes, plastic pollution has increased a lot in our country.
To make us aware, we have Om Lahange and Bhuvish Aware from Standard 8.
Good morning, one and all present here.
On the occasion of National Pollution Control Day, we both are here to discuss on a pollution, which is plastic pollution. So our first question is, what is a plastic pollution? Plastic pollution is a combination of plastic products and particles such as plastic bottles, bags, and food wrappers in the Earth's environment that can adversely affect wildlife habitat, and human beings too. Plastic can also affect land, waterways, and ocean.
There are majorly three types of plastic that contribute to the plastic pollution. The three types are microplastic, macroplastic, and megaplastic. Microplastic, tiny particles of the plastic which are 5 mm or less than the 5 mm when deposits in the sea is known as microplastic pollution. Microplastic pollution generally harms the living things which live in the water. When any human being consumes this seafood, it may damage its liver. Macroplastic, large fine particles of plastic when gets deposited into the sea is known as macroplastic pollution. This macroplastic pollution generally harms the animals which comes near the river bodies to drink water. Megaplastic, large semi-broken plastic when gets deposited in the sea is called as megaplastic pollution. This megaplastic pollution generally harms animals such as hyenas, buffaloes and cows.
Thank you all for this helpful information. Let us give a big round of applause for all of them.
Now, I would like to call upon our principal ma'am to guide us on National Pollution Control Day.
Good morning, everyone. Minimization of plastic or the reduction of use of plastic campaign. And in that, most of the schools, I'll say nearby 2,700 students, we as a team, we went to the schools, we gave so many sessions to the schools, and after the sessions, the commitment which we received from the schools or the school students was like that will not use plastic again. This was the statement, Just imagine if I will be asking the same commitment to you all. Are you ready to give that commitment? समझ में नहीं आया मेरा sentence? Okay, किसी ने बोला yes. Now, just tell me how you will be doing that. How you will be doing that? Is it possible to live a life without plastic? Yes. Is it possible? Yes. Okay, yes. Some students are there who has their specs. It is made up of what? Some students are there who are there with the belts, girls. It is made up of what? Plastic. Your bottles are made up of what? Plastic. Then some articles, jewelry. These are made up of what? Plastic. Then in your house also there are many things which are made up of what? Plastic. In this hall only, if I'll count the things, mostly or the number will be what? Higher number will be of what? Plastic. Is it possible then? Then every year we are doing like this only. These days are celebrated, we are showing the PPTs, we are giving the examples that how it is harmful. But again, we are doing the same thing. That what? After the session, after the presentation, we are using the same plastic again and again, and we are throwing the same things into the surrounding again and again.
Alexander Parks. The name of a scientist is what? Alexander Parks. Now he has invented or he has done a research for the human welfare. But is it giving a welfare to the human being? No. It's harmful. Why it is harmful? It is actually useful, no? There are two sides of a coin. Plastic is useful also and plastic is harmful also. Correct or not? Yes. The specs, if you use with the glass one, वो glass अगर आँख में जाती है, it can create a big issue. That's why we are using the plastic. Or else, it is cheap one. That's why also we are using the plastic. Now, only plastic pollution is there on the earth. We have seen many or different types of pollution. Can you prepare a definition over here? Or can you give me the meaning of pollution?
Presence of harmful nature around us.
Very good.
The thing which causes harmful effects to our nature is called as pollution.
Very good. So, everything which is giving harm to nature. Now in the nature, who comes? In nature, who comes? Animals. अपने आप को भूल गए? Human being, animal, wildlife, plants, everyone is there. But again, human tendency is like that कि जब तक घर पे बात नहीं आती है ना, तब तक सोचना नहीं है. Same for the COVID also. जब तक घर पे कोरोना नहीं आता है ना, तब तक हमने उन सारी चीज़ों को या इंस्ट्रक्शंस को बहुत सिंसियरली फॉलो नहीं करना है. Correct or not?
Yes, correct.
We have seen this in the surrounding in our environment. जब तक घर पे कोरोना से डेथ नहीं हुई है, जब तक घर पे कोविड की वजह से कोई disadvantages we didn't face, till the time we have not followed the instructions strictly or sincerely. The same thing is there for the pollution. जब तक हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है पर्सनली, we are not thinking for the pollution in a positive manner. You are learning for the pollution from 5th standard, correct or not?
Yes.
Looks like the captain of the boat.
Scenes like this are a daily reality for the crew of Seeker on the Pacific Trek. Some estimates hold that by 2050, there could be as much plastic as there are fish in the ocean.
Every day we see plastic.
I already worry. That is why I want to show what is happening.
They got like the this net, so it's not only one net, it's many nets that are tangled together. Also some other very interesting items like this toothbrush.
Was nice. Last 2 days we are facing the problem of rain. Why this is so? This is nothing but the global climate change, global accumulation at the global level, accumulation of plastic, accumulation of pollution articles. These all the things are there. They are going to attack us only. Only one situation is not there. After some days, you will be eating plastic. If you are non-vegetarian, automatically in your fish you will be getting those plastics. You have seen the microplastic? Yes. This all plastic now has been diminished in the sense or in the sort of small plastic particles. This is nothing but the microplastic. If you are non-vegetarian, it will automatically come into your body, either through your fish, either through your mutton, chicken, whatever the things are there. Okay. And if you are vegetarian, again it will come. How? In the air also the microplastic particles are there. So through your ingestion or through your breathing, you are getting those all the things. 2030 में ये situation आने वाला था for using the mask, but now just think about it that before 2030, only in 2020 we are facing the situation of using the mask. Means we are not ready or we are not able to ingest the proper air also. And this particular thing is going to disturb your life only. We should not use plastic, ये कहने के लिए है सिर्फ. Are we able to go without plastic? No. So this is not possible. But what is possible? You can recycle it. It's your responsibility if you are buying anything and if you are disturbing the nature, how to tackle that thing. अगर आपकी बॉडी में कुछ प्रॉब्लम होती है, who is curing your body? You are only, no? You are going to doctor or you are taking some home remedies. In the same way, if you are carrying plastic, then how to recycle it, it's your responsibility. Don't throw your wrappers here and there. ये आपने जो देखा वो पैसिफिक गार्बेज पैच था. एक कैलिफोर्निया, अगर हम सिटी या कंट्री का बात करते हैं तो ऐसे 20 या 30 कंट्रीज मिल के जितना एरिया होगा उतना एक एरिया सिर्फ यहाँ पे दिखा है. अब ये हमने ग्लोबल लेवल पे देखा है. अगर हम यहाँ से सिर्फ ब्रिज क्रॉस करते हैं तो ब्रिज के साइड में हमें कितना सारा गंदगी दिखेगा. इन द सेम वे वी आर वॉचिंग द थिंग्स नियर बाई गोदा घाट, नियर बाई तपोवन, नियर बाई एनी रिवर साइड एरिया. अब ये सारी चीज़ें हैं तो आपका रिसाइकलिंग करना तो ज़रूरी है. सो आर यू देयर फॉर रिसाइकलिंग? That's why we called you or we asked you to bring your plastic water bottles and submit here, and then we'll be giving that things to whom? To the people who are there for recycling. So this will not be the one day activity. I think in every month we'll collect scrap like this. Are you ready for it?
Yes.
Sincerely?
Yes.
But here only 8th standard is there. Now who is going to give the message to 9th or 10th? We. Very good. Then collectively work on it. Collectively work on the things. When we used to go for the trip and all, no, our mummy look supposed to take all the dabbas and everything from home only. Nowadays the things are changed by us only. But what we are carrying, we are not carrying any single thing. We know that बिस्लरी बॉटल मिलता है, चिप्स मिलता है, पार्सल मिलता है. So whatever you are taking no outside, it's your responsibility to collect your garbage with you and put it into your dustbin. That also with the separated mode. That the green plus, the green waste and the dry waste and wet waste. Are you segregating it? Yes. Don't lie with me. Huh? I know. Who is sincerely segregating it? Very good. Fine. Very good. And the same thing we are doing in our school campus also. That's why your science teacher told you at the time of Ganesh Utsava and Navratri. What? Whatever your waste is there, don't throw into the river banks. Just collect it and make what? Manure or compost. As you are doing at home, we are doing in school campus also. We'll take you there for the visit whenever the area will be cleaned up. Okay? So here I can expect a commitment from everyone that you will not be using plastic again and again. If you will be using, then it's your responsibility will be there to recycle it properly. Correct? Yes. Thank you so much. किसने इनिशिएटिव लिया था ये सोचने?
मेरा बाबा देश चलाता है, मेरा बाबा देश चलाता है, मेरा बाबा देश चलाता है. क्योंकि देश अपना गीला और सूखा कचरा अलग नहीं करता. मेरा बाबा कचरा, गटर और बीमारियों के अंदर जाता है और बहुत बीमार होकर निकलता है. कभी कभी लगता है मेरा बाबा बीमारी से हार जाएगा. कभी कभी लगता है बाबा लौट के घर नहीं आएगा. मेरे बाबा को बचाओ. इस देश को सिर्फ मेरे बाबा से मत चलाओ, क्योंकि देश को देश का हर आदमी चलाता है. क्योंकि देश को देश का हर आदमी चलाता है.
Here, I would like to request you all to take the oath for pollution control. Be ready for the oath. Repeat after me. Let's take a pledge. On National Pollution Control Day, that we will take forward our efforts to not only reduce air but water, land and noise pollution as well and make our country pollution free.
Thank you. We will definitely try our best and make more people aware about pollution control.
Now I request Yash for vote of thanks.
Here, I would like to thank our principal ma'am, Mrs. Shruti Deshmukh, and special thanks to our science teachers and all teaching and non-teaching staff, as well as my friends and all the participants for making this program a great success. Thank you.